Good morning, Srishti Bhatti.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Videsh. Ready for the revisions?
Yes, ma'am.
Today,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, which chapter we'll do? Civics?
yes, ma'am, civics.
Yes, fine.
ma'am.
Ma'am, what is democracy? Why democracy?
Okay, what is democracy and why democracy?
Ma'am, page 3, there is a diagram given like about democracy. A cartoon is given. I am unable to understand that.
Okay, just a moment.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Beta. Lovelish, good morning. Uh, Let us do one thing. I think this electoral politics chapter, I have to take one more revision of that chapter. Some more questions are left. So we'll do that and then we'll switch to what is democracy, why democracy, right? Right, class?
Ma'am, yesterday we were doing working of the institutions.
Yesterday we were doing working of
Yes,
institute.
ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, fine. So we'll continue with that. No, I think working of institutions we completed, Beta.
Ma'am, like I'm telling that yesterday only we were doing that chapter.
No, yesterday we did electoral politics. Yesterday we did electoral politics.
Ma'am,
Yes,
working
ma'am.
of
The last
institutions we
question
have
was
done.
related to
But
democratic elections.
yes, ma'am.
Very good. That working of institutions we have done. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Huh. Same electoral politics. Few more questions I'll be asking you all. Okay. Fine. Some MCQs I am reading out. You tell me the answers, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Given below are the reasons for conducting election. Which of these is false? I think we have done this. Have we done these MCQs?
Ma'am, for like we have done.
This one we have done.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, let me read out. I think this we have not done. Given below are the reasons for conducting elections. Which of these is false? First, elections enable people to judge the performance of the government. People select the representative of their choice in the election. Elections give people an opportunity to judge the performance of the judiciary. People can indicate which policy they prefer. Which one is the correct option? Huh?
Option.
And option C.
Option C is
Ma'am,
false.
option
I
C.
think this we have not done, class, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I think this we have not done.
Ma'am, what is the page number?
Which page number? बेटा ये पेज नंबर नहीं है, इसमें तो हमारे पास कुछ बुक्स रखी हैं, उन्हीं में से पढ़ बता रहे हैं आपको.
Ma'am, which chapter?
This is electoral politics.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है. Next question है आपका. Given below are the points to prove that elections held in India are democratic. Which one of these is false? Shall I share the screen?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Give me just 2 minutes. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Um, yes. See, Gargi, read out the first one.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Given below are the reasons for conducting election. Which of these is false? A. Election enable people to judge the performance of the government. B. People select the representative of their choice in the election. C. Elections give people an opportunity to judge the performance of the judiciary. D. People can indicate which policies they prefer.
Hmm.
Ma'am A.
Ma'am C.
Ma'am A.
C.
Ma'am,
C.
C.
Ma'am
Ma'am,
C.
C.
C is the
Ma'am,
correct
C.
answer. Very good.
Ma'am
Anybody?
C.
You can take the screenshot also of it, right? Next. Given below are the points to prove. Read out. Viresh. Srishti.
Given
Ma'am, may
below are
I?
the points to prove that elections held in India are democratic. Which one of these is false? A. India has the largest number of voters in the world. India's election commission is very powerful. C. Everyone above the age of 18 years in India has the right to vote. D. In India, the losing party accepts the electoral verdict.
Ma'am A.
It is?
Ma'am A.
Ma'am, A.
हाँ जी
Ma'am
बेटा.
C.
Ma'am A.
Ma'am C.
Ma'am, A. Ma'am, A.
First one is the correct this thing. First one is false regarding the democratic elections, right?
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
हाँ. चलो next one.
Ma'am, what does electoral verdict mean?
Electoral verdict means the result of the elections. Whatever the election results tell, the political parties need to accept that. Failure of a particular party or majority winning of a particular political party, that has to be accepted by one and all.
Like whatever is the result.
Whatever the results are, like in one of the elections when Congress was already ruling over the country, they expected that people will vote for them, but then to their surprise people voted for BJP came out to be a largest majority winning party in those elections. So that this is called as electoral verdict. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Hanji, chalo next. Shrishti Gautam, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Read beta. Next statement.
Okay, ma'am. Who is invited by the governor of the state to form government in a state after election? A. Leader of the opposition. B. Leader of the majority party. C. Chief Justice of the High Court. D. None of these.
What
Ma'am
is the correct
Leader of
answer?
the Majority
Ma'am,
Party.
leader of the majority party.
Ma'am, leader of
Leader
the
of
majority
majority
party.
Ma'am, leader of the majority
Ma'am,
party.
leader of the majority party.
Leader of the majority party. Very good. Next, Nena.
Yes, ma'am. Fourth, which one of the following is not the function of election? A. Change of government. B. Legitimacy to the party in power. C. Give people to say in the government
this is correct.
formation. D. To suggest changes in the constitution.
Ma'am C.
Ma'am,
Ma'am
option C should be correct.
Ma'am,
D.
Yes.
D.
Ma'am D.
Ma'am, D.
Beta, D is not appropriate because changes in the constitution is suggested by the government through the bills, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The function of this is not the function of the election, right?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
what is the meaning of option B?
Option B, legitimacy to the party. Legitimacy means legality. Legally, that party has come to power by the winning elections,
Okay, ma'am.
right? Next,
Can you please
Jigyasa.
again explain meaning of legitimacy?
Beta,
Yes,
legitimacy means legally coming into power. Legally coming into power, right?
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ, just a moment बेटा. स्क्रीन शेयरिंग चला गया है, रुको 1 मिनट. Just a moment. Yes, can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine, 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 fine. Read out. जिज्ञासा पढ़ो बेटा, नेक्स्ट का वो स्टेटमेंट.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
What is not an alternative to election? First, referendum. Second, consensus. Third, revolution. D. Ma'am, what is the last option?
Plebiscite.
पहले beside.
हाँ,
Ma'am,
plebiscite.
revolution.
इसका करेक्ट आंसर क्या होगा?
Ma'am, plebiscite.
Ma'am, revolution.
Ma'am, plebiscite.
Ma'am, plebiscite.
हाँ
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
option
पहले भी सही.
बेटा,
Ma'am,
रेवोल्यूशन
what is the
नहीं
meaning
होगा.
of plebiscite?
रेवोल्यूशन.
Yes, ma'am.
रेवोल्यूशन ऑल्टरनेट कहाँ होता है इलेक्शन का? बाकी सब तो हो जाते हैं, बट रेवोल्यूशन तो क्रांति होती है.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of plebiscite?
प्लेबिसाइड का मतलब एक तरीके से जो है आप विलिंगनेस शो करना किसी चीज को एक्सेप्ट करने की. ठीक है.
And ma'am, what is consensus?
कॉन्सेंसस वही लोग अपनी मर्जी से जब कहते हैं कि हाँ ठीक है, हम सो एंड सो को जो है अपना लीडर जो है एज अ लीडर हम देखते हैं इसको, तो वो एज पर द विशेस ऑफ द पीपल, जिसको आप ये कह सकते हो, है ना. ठीक है. राइट क्लास.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ जी. नेक्स्ट, वीरेश, रीड आउट द स्टेटमेंट.
Which of the following is an essential feature of a truly democratic election? A. Always leads to change of government. B. Universal suffrage. C. Election of minority as leader. D. None of these.
Ma'am, universal suffrage.
यूनिवर्सल सफरेज.
Ma'am, universal suffrage.
Which of the following is an essential feature of truly democratic election? Universal suffrage. Very good. Next. एक मिनट बेटा. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. चलिए. Now read out. अक्षत. कैन यू सी?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी, पढ़ो। रुको 1 मिनट रुको बेटा, इसको शेयर कर लें, ऐसे ना आ नहीं रहा है ये। कैन यू सी नाउ?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
Akshat, are you there? Akshat, are you there in the meeting? चलिए, आयजा,
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए पढ़ो, स्टेटमेंट पढ़ो।
What is a demerit of election? Option A, change of government. Option B, leads to factionalism. Option C, emergence of new leaders. Option D, none of these.
Ma'am B.
Ma'am, option B
Option
leads to
B.
To
factionalism.
ma'am, option B.
ऑप्शन
B.
Ma'am,
B.
B.
Leads to factionalization.
डीमेरिट ऑफ इलेक्शन क्या होता है? ऑप्शन बी लीड्स टू फैक्शनलिज्म।
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, वेरी गुड। नेक्स्ट,
Ma'am, factionalism means that people are divided on the
Divided
basis
into
of parties.
caste and community, not party but caste and community, religion, social
Okay, ma'am.
groups, right? Pavni, read beta.
Yes, ma'am. A. Which of the following is not a feature of India's electoral politics? A.
Hmm.
Periodic election. B. A system of reserved constituency. C. Universal suffrage. D. Only graduates can get elected to parliament.
Ma'am, D.
Ma'am D.
Option D.
Ma'am, D.
D is the correct
Yes,
answer.
ma'am.
Very
Ma'am,
good,
option
very good. Next, Manas, are you there? Zainab, are
Ma'am,
you
I
there?
read.
कौन बोल रहे हैं पढ़ने के लिए? विभांशु?
Ma'am,
हाँ,
Ma'am Puneet.
पुनीत, ठीक है, पढ़ो बेटा।
Who conducts election in India? A. Central government. B. State government. C. Election Commission of India. D. President of India. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
option
C.
C.
Election
Ma'am, option
Commission.
C.
Commission of
ऑप्शन
India.
सी, इलेक्शन
Ma'am,
कमीशन
C.
ऑफ
Election Commission of India.
इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया। चलिए, नेक्स्ट, who is there in the meeting? Beta, I can't see the names of the children. You please randomly tell your names and you read. Ujjwal, are you there, beta? विभांशु, उज्जवल, आप हैं?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, may
Ujjwal
I?
is not there in the meeting.
अच्छा, चलो गार्गी पढ़ो बेटा।
10th. Elections in India for Parliament and state legislature are conducted by option A. President. B. Election Commission of India. C. Prime Minister. D. None of these.
Ma'am C.
कौन सा
Ma'am,
है?
C. Election Commission of
Ma'am
India.
Ma'am, option C.
Ma'am C.
Election Commission.
तो ऑप्शन बी होगा ना, इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया, ऑप्शन बी।
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Option B. Election Commission of India.
ठीक है, नेक्स्ट, कौन है और मीटिंग में बताओ?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes.
चलो
Ma'am, may
नैना
I?
पढ़ो। अच्छा चलो, ये मैं आए किसने बोला अभी? विभांशु ने। ओके, नैना रीड।
Yes, ma'am. 11th. Members of Election Commission are appointed by A. Chief Justice of India. B. Prime Minister. C. President of India. Or D. Elected by people. Ma'am, it should
Ma'am,
be
President.
option C.
Ma'am, option C.
Option C.
Option
President.
C,
President of
President.
India.
वेरी गुड, ऑप्शन सी, प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ, प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया। नेक्स्ट, हाँ
May I?
नेक्स्ट, हाँ पढ़ो बेटा विभांशु।
Which of the following is not a feature of election system in India?
बेटा फीचर, फीचर।
A. Universal adult franchise feature of election in India. A. Universal adult franchise. B. Secret voting. C. Reservation of seats in a legislature for the member of a scheduled caste and scheduled tribe
ठीक है,
and scheduled tribe.
तो इसका आंसर क्या है?
D. Communal electoral.
वेरी
Ma'am
गुड,
B.
कम्युनल इलेक्टोरेट।
Ma'am B.
वेरी गुड। नहीं बेटा, सीक्रेट वोटिंग कैसे? सीक्रेट वोटिंग तो हम करते ही हैं ईवीएम्स के थ्रू।
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है, हाँ। कम्युनल इलेक्टोरेट, हमारे यहाँ पे रिलीजन बेस्ड इलेक्टोरेट नहीं है ना, हमारा एक जनरल है, एक में रिजर्व और रिजर्व्ड है, उसके अलावा कोई तीसरे टाइप की हमारे पास नहीं है, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, चलिए नेक्स्ट। धनंजय आप पढ़ेंगे?
Yes, ma'am.
पढ़ो।
By-election is the election which held is directly, indirectly to fill up a vacancy in the legislature when the legislature is dissolved before the expiry of the normal term.
Ma'am, option C.
Option C.
सी, सम
Ma'am,
क्रिमिनल
option
Ma'am,
C.
Fill up a
option
vacancy.
C.
Fill up a vacancy.
to fill up a vacancy
Fill
in
up
the
a
legislature.
vacancy.
Very good, very good. Next.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes बेटा।
आपकी सीन में वो हो गई।
बेटा 1 मिनट, 2 मिनट दो हमको, 2 मिनट, ये मीटिंग में बच्चे आ गए थे ना। कहाँ गई स्क्रीन? आ गया।
Yes, ma'am.
चलो नेक्स्ट कौन पढ़ेगा बेटा?
Ma'am, may
Yes,
I?
ma'am.
चलो पढ़ो पढ़ो।
In democracy, elections are important because option A, the formation of government becomes easy. Option B, they help in the formation of opposition party. Option C, they are a check on the working of the government. Option D, all of the above.
So which should be the
Ma'am,
correct?
the formation of
All,
government.
All of the
All
above.
of the above.
All of
B.
the above is the correct answer. Very good. हाँ, all of
Ma'am,
the
but I
above is the.
understand the second point.
No. All of the above.
Ma'am, all of the above.
हाँ, all the 3
Ma'am,
options given above. हाँ,
I'm saying that I could not understand the second point.
beta, see when elections are held, during that time one party, one political party comes into power and forms the government, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And the other parties which are there, they become the opposition parties.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is says that during elections, one becomes the majority, one becomes the government, and the other becomes the opposition party. So elections, they also help in the formation of the opposition party. Understood?
Yes, ma'am, understood.
हाँ, चलो. Next, who wants to read?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Pavni.
Following is a weakness or challenge to Indian election system. A. Secret ballot. B. Use of electronic voting machine. C. Misuse of official machinery. D. Universal adult franchise.
Ma'am, option C.
Option C.
C.
Ma'am,
Option
misuse
C.
machinery.
Misuse of official machinery. Very good. This is the weakness of the Indian election system. Very good. Next, Dhananjay, read.
Which of the following statement is incorrect? A. All citizens above the age of 21 can vote in an election. B. Every citizen has a right to vote regardless of caste, religion, or gender. C. Some criminals and persons
A.
with unsound mind can be denied the right to vote in rare situations. D. It is the responsibility of the government to get the number of all eligible voters.
Which one is
Ma'am,
incorrect?
option A.
Ma'am,
A.
option A.
Option
Ma'am,
A.
option A.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
option A.
it should be option A.
Very good. धनंजय, आपको समझ में आया ऑप्शन ए क्यों है इसका आंसर?
No.
हम above 21 तो हम इलेक्शन में पार्ट ले सकते हैं.
About 25. बेटा अबव 18 हमारे कंट्री में अबव 18 जो है इलेक्शन में पार्टिसिपेट कर सकता है, अबव 21 नहीं, ये गलत है स्टेटमेंट, ठीक है।
ओके मैम।
हाँ नेक्स्ट। नेक्स्ट पढ़ो, हु विल रीड?
मैम मैं आए?
चलो पढ़ो पढ़ो, आयजा, टीना, कौन पढ़ेगा? पढ़ो।
Which of the following statements regarding elections and election commission hold true? A. Election Commission of India has enough powers to conduct free and fair elections in the country. B. There is a high level of popular participation in the elections in our country. C. It is very easy for the party in power to win an election.
ठीक है, क्या है इसका करेक्ट आंसर?
ऑप्शन ए।
मैम ऑप्शन ए।
मैम ऑप्शन ए।
मैम ऑप्शन ए।
बेटा ये इनकम्प्लीट है, रुको, ये इनकम्प्लीट है, दो और स्टेटमेंट्स है इसके, ठीक है।
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, can you all see?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, but like the above side is very much
Blur.
brightened. Yes, ma'am.
Wait. I will read it for you, don't worry. See, D option says many reforms are needed to make our elections completely free and fair. And the E option says A, B and D are correct. Now you choose the correct answer.
मैम ए बी एंड
मैम
डी
ऑप्शन ई।
हाँ, option E is the correct. Very good, very good. Next is, what are the main challenges to free and fair elections in India? Option 1, model code of conduct. Next is lack of internal democracy among political parties. Then influence of money and muscle power, democratic rule. Then B, C, D are correct. Sorry, dynastic rule. B, C and D are correct. Which option will be correct?
No, option E, I guess.
Option?
E.
Option
Last one.
E. Yes,
Yes,
you are
ma'am.
right. Very good. It is E. Now, what is the general election? Can you read the options
Excuse me,
now?
ma'am.
हाँ जी बेटा.
Ma'am, but dynastic rule is not there in India.
हाँ तभी तो कह रहा है गलत है.
Ma'am, but it is asking about the challenges.
हाँ,
so-
मेन चैलेंजेस यही तो है. डायनेस्टिक रूल क्यों नहीं है बेटा? कांग्रेस पार्टी अगर आप देखो तो कांग्रेस पार्टी में हैज एनीबडी एल्स कम इन दैट पार्टी? सब जो है आपके उनके फैमिली के मेंबर्स ही हैं लीडिंग उस पे.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, फिर इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ मनी मसल पावर तो होता ही है, हमने पढ़ा है ये. इंटरनल डेमोक्रेसी जो है वो भी नहीं रहती है पार्टीज में, ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ, चलिए next is what is a general election? Options are elections held for one constituency to fill the vacancy caused by death or resignation of a member, elections held before the expiry of Lok Sabha term, elections held in all constituencies at the same time after every 5 years, या none of these. Which one is the correct
Ma'am,
option?
Option C.
Option C is the correct answer. Option C. Very good. Very good, class. Next, which of the following does not include election procedure? Voting, nomination of candidate, withdrawal of nomination, booth capturing, canvassing.
Both capturing.
हाँ, booth capturing is not a election procedure. Very good.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of canvassing?
कैनवेसिंग में बेटा जो आपके ये बड़े बड़े बैनर्स और पोस्टर्स लगाए जाते हैं ना, ये इलेक्शन का ही तो पार्ट होते हैं, कैंपेनिंग के लिए जो लगाते हैं.
Okay, ma'am.
Then next is which of the following is not allowed while carrying out an election campaign? Can you read it now? 21.
Yes, ma'am.
चलो गार्गी पढ़ो.
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा पढ़ो.
Which of the following is not allowed while carrying out an election campaign? Option A, giving money to voters to cast vote for particular candidate. B, using television channels. C, door-to-door canvassing. D, contacting voters on phone. Ma'am, option A.
Ma'am, option A.
Ma'am, option A is the correct.
Option A.
Option A.
Option A is not allowed while carrying out an election campaign. Very good. Next. Pavni, read.
Yes, ma'am. What makes an election democratic? Select the correct option. A, universal adult franchise. B, fundamental rights. C, directive principles of state policy. D, free and fair election. E, both A and B are correct.
Ma'am, option E.
Ma'am, option E.
Ma'am, option E.
Ma'am, option
Beta A and D. A and D are correct. Option E, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very
Yes,
good. Very
ma'am.
good. Next, Jigyasa, read.
Which among the following is not correct? First, the Election Commission conducts all elections for the Parliament and assemblies. B, the Election Commission directs and controls the preparation of electoral rolls. Option C, the Election Commission cannot fix the election dates. Option D, the Election Commission does the
Scrutiny of nomination. Scrutiny.
scrutiny of nomination papers.
Ma'am, option C.
Option C.
Option C.
Ma'am, option C.
Option C is correct. Very good, class. Very good. Next, state whether the following statements are true or false. पढ़ो, कौन पढ़ेगा? सृष्टि, गौतम.
Elect
Yes, ma'am.
पढ़ो बेटा.
Ma'am, which one?
State whether the following statements are true or false.
Election can lead to change in government and its policy.
Ma'am,
True.
true.
Ma'am, true.
Okay, fine.
True.
Next also read.
Universal suffrage means everybody has a rule.
False.
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 Ma'am, it is false.
It is false. Okay. Srishti, next.
The leader of the majority party is invited by governor to form government in the state.
True.
It is
Ma'am,
true.
it is true.
It is true.
True.
Ma'am, T.
Fourth one.
It is difficult to think of democracy without election.
True.
Ma'am, true.
Ma'am, true.
True or false?
Ma'am, true.
Ma'am, true.
Ma'am, true.
Very good.
Ma'am,
Next.
true.
Ma'am, true.
Next.
The holding of election does not necessarily means that government is democratic.
Ma'am, true.
Ma'am, true.
Ma'am, true.
Can you give example for this?
Ma'am, like the
Ma'am,
government of
China. Elections held in China.
Ma'am, Mexico.
Elections held
Ma'am,
in China, Mexico, Zimbabwe, now
Yes, ma'am.
Mexico, right? Very good.
Ma'am,
Now-
Mexico, Zimbabwe.
Next is, out of total number of 545 members of Lok Sabha, 3 members are nominated from Anglo-Indian community. Is it true or false?
False.
Ma'am, false.
Ma'am, false.
Ma'am, false.
False. How many members are appointed?
2.
Ma'am, 2.
Ma'am, 2.
2 are appointed.
Ma'am,
Very,
Ma'am, 2.
very good. Next is, in a democracy, the real choice regarding the election of rulers rests with the people.
True.
It is
True.
true.
Ma'am,
Very good.
true.
It is true. Very good. Next, the Indian Constitution does not provide for any system of reserved constituency for SC and ST.
False.
Ma'am, false.
Ma'am,
False.
false.
Very good. Next is, the Constitution has provided for a minimum educational qualification for a member intending to become a member of parliament. True or false?
False.
False.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
false.
it is false.
False. There is no educational
False.
qualification required as such, right? Then,
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, Viresh.
ma'am, these 5 are over.
I
are you
know,
asking from somewhere
but I don't have another screenshot. That is why I'm reading out. Okay. Use
Okay,
of
ma'am.
use of money power is a major challenge for free elections in India.
True.
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 Yes.
True.